Okay, welcome to my next video. To those who not subscribed till now, the previous one, so please subscribe and let's enjoy the video. Okay viewers, in my last video we discussed about the angles formed by the different lines, intersecting lines and parallel lines. Okay, so here today we discuss about the theorems related to the chapter lines and angles. Okay, so already you know that when two lines intersect to each other, then two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. Okay, so when two lines intersect to each other, then two pairs of vertical opposite angles are formed. So today we are going to discuss about that. We are going to prove. We are going to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so we already know that vertical opposite angle means what. So here we are going to prove that vertical opposite angles are equal. So to prove the vertical opposite angles are equal, we must have a concept about the pair of linear angles. Okay, so let's see how can we use this in here. At first we will draw two lines. This one, two lines. Okay, so we name as AB and CD. That means AB and CD are two lines and they intersect to each other at the point O. Okay, and then they form two pairs of vertical opposite angles, AOC and BOD. Another one is what? AOD and BOC. So these are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So let's see here first. Let's write down the restatement. So restatement is what? Let the line AB and CD intersect to each other at the point O. Then they form two pairs of vertically opposite angles, namely angle AOB and angle AOC and angle BOD. Another pair, angle AOD and angle BOC. Okay. So here we consider that two lines AB and CD intersect to each other at the point O, and then they form two pairs of vertical opposite angles, namely AOC and BOD, angle AOD and angle BOC. Okay. So what is required to prove now? So still we have finished. So this is the restatement we should write before the proof. We consider two pairs of vertical opposite angles AOC and BOD, AOD and BOC. So here we should write RTP. That means required to prove. So what is required to prove now? That angle AOC equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So this one we are going to prove. So let's start the proof part. Sorry. So similarly, before starting this class, I say for this theorem we must have a concept about the linear pair. So that concept we just applied in here. So have you seen OA is a ray. Ray OA stand on the line CD. Okay, as OA stands on the line CD. CD is a line and OA stand on it, so it's formed two pair of linear angles. That is what? Angle AOC and angle AOD. So we know that the sum of this angle is what? 180 degree. That means the linear pairs are always be supplementary. Okay, so we can write here AOC plus AOD equal to 180 degree. So again, and similarly ray OD stands on the line AB. So we can say angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. So we point out this one as number 1 and this one as number 2. So have you seen in number 1 and number 2? So sum of the angle is what? 180 degree. In both cases we get the sum of the angle is what? 180 degree. So what you can say from here? So therefore from 1 and 2 we get. So what we will get? Able to compare them, as because in both cases sum of the angle is 180 degree. So we can say that angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal angle AOD plus angle BOD. So next point, have you seen angle AOD is added in both sides plus AOD, and here also AOD is added with angle BOD. So we can cancel both of them. Angle AOD and AOD in both sides we cancel. So what is left? Angle AOC left hand side and right hand side angle BOD. Have you seen? First proof is what? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So what we get at last? That angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Clear? So let's see. One more point is here, that angle AOD equal to angle BOC. To prove this point, we again need to follow the same statement, same technique, same rule. So instead of doing the same procedure again, we can write similarly. So here I have written here similarly we get angle AOD equal to angle BOC. So that means this part no need to show again. Clear? So we prove it that vertical opposite angles are equal. No need to write again the statement that vertical opposite angles are equal. because already we mentioned here in the required to prove part what is required to prove. Clear? So this is a theorem, first theorem of this chapter.